So I just finished laying underfloor heating cable. As you can see here, this underfloor heating cable is attached to this mesh. Of course, I used primer, which I have here. And yeah, usually before applying this self-leveling compound, you should add primer on the concrete. As you can see here, I left some room around the shower drainage as well. Yeah, as you can see here, I don't have underfloor heating cable in this part, and I'm going to have a toilet here. So one other thing to mention is I added this cable protection here. It's shallow inside. I also closed this ending, and later I will add underfloor heating sensor inside. So it's going to be on the other side. So the next thing to do is to mix some mortar and start pouring it on the cable. And also I have to check with the level if the floor has the right angle towards the shower drainage. It's really important. I use this laser level and this measuring stick. So I determined the highest point, which was there. I found my 0, and then I did some markings on the sides with a white marker. And I also, next to these measuring things, I added the right number. So later I need to check it when the self-leveling compound will reach 15 here. It's the right level, and it's the first time I have used these actually. And they have this tape underneath, so you can just tape it to your floor. And I also did some markings here as well. So it's important that I have the right angle towards this shower drainage. And also one important thing to notice, I have this flexible material here all around, and this is for the self-leveling compound. So later it has some room for expanding